Today we are in Mesa at an amazing income property. We're Paul and Alicia from the Anderson team, and we are excited to introduce you to 4516 East Contessa.
This duplex features 2-bedroom, 2-bath units with covered parking in a prime location in Mesa. Don't miss your opportunity to check it out.
For more information on how you can add this property to your income portfolio, give us a call at 480-900-9140.
Or visit us anytime on the web at andersonteamaz.com. We look forward to hearing from you. And remember, make it a smart move.